Welcome back to my channel for another episode of Baking with a Toddler. Today we are going to make heart-shaped cupcakes for Valentine's Day.
Good job!
Good job. Thank you, Bryce. Bryce, do you have a Valentine?
Yes.
Who's your Valentine?
Valentine's.
Valentine's is your Valentine?
Yes.
Okay. Can Mommy be your Valentine?
Yes.
Thank you.
Let's see.
Let's see. Cupcakes. So Jordan is just playing on the floor behind us in her ball pit. Oh, Brycey, don't eat it, please. No eat. Okay, we have to be careful because this is food coloring, so we have to be very careful. We're gonna put our heart-shaped cups back into our baking tin until we are ready to pour our cupcakes into it. Thank you. So the first thing we did was use our box mix instead of working from scratch this time. Good job, Bryce. Oh! Okay, but these don't go in here yet, okay? What we're gonna have to do is mix the cupcake mix and then put the cupcake mix into the cupcake holders, okay? But we're not there yet. Can you help Mommy pour the water in here, please?
Yes.
Okay, pouring the water. And now we need a 1/3 cup of vegetable oil. We have to measure it first. Can you help Mama?
Yes.
And we need 3 eggs.
Yes.
So what number is this?
2.
1. Let Mommy crack it. What number is this?
2.
Yes, 2 eggs. Oh, careful. Are you okay? 2 eggs. And what number is this?
2.
3. 3 eggs. Everything can't be number 2, Brycey. Oh, don't put it in there, please. We have to mix all of this up. So now we have to get ready to put the batter into our cupcake holders. Hold the tin for Mommy so it doesn't slide away. Wow. No touch, okay? Because we have to put them in the oven so they can bake.
No.
Yes. You can't eat it yet or else it'll give you a tummy ache. We don't want Bryce to have a tummy ache, right? No tummy aches.
No tummy ache to us.
No tummy aches for us. Okay, let's keep it over here though. Keep it in there for now. Good job mixing it up. Keep it in the bowl, please. Thank you, Brycey. Keep it in the bowl, please. We don't want to make a mess, right?
Let me do it in dough.
You did such a good job helping, Brycey.
No.
No, you didn't do a good job? I think you did a good job. (14 to 19 minutes). So let's go with 15 and we'll check it after that. While we're waiting, we're gonna do some Valentine's Day crafts. It's a heart, right?
Yes.
It says Happy Valentine's Day, and we have some markers. What colors do we have?
Red.
I'll open it. What color is this? And what color is this one?
Red.
Hey, I thought you said this one's red.
And that's on the street.
Pink, yes. And what color is this one?
Two. That's holiday time.
That's holiday time?
Yes.
Can Mommy do one?
No.
But I thought I was your Valentine. Is Mommy your Valentine?
Yes.
Can I please color one?
Oh, then if this.
No. Are you done coloring?
Oh, then.
No. You want to color some more?
Yes.
What is Valentine's Day?
It's orange. It's baby orange.
It's a baby otter.
It's not baby otter.
What is Valentine's Day? Is Valentine's Day about love?
Yes.
Like how much Mommy loves Bryce?
Yes.
What is your favorite thing about Valentine's Day?
Red.
Red is your favorite thing about Valentine's Day?
Yes.
Whoa. Here are our Valentines. I think we did a good job.
Yes.
Which one can Mommy have?
This. Then.
Oh, I can have the purple marker. Thank you.
Let's do it.
Let's do it.
Let's do certain things.
From what I saw, it looks really good. Whoa, these little cups. Not so sure about them. Heart-shaped cups, not so much. But the regular cups look really good. So we're gonna let these cool for a little while and then put in the second batch because we still have a lot of batter. Bryce, I thought we were gonna wait. Wait until we decorate them, or you want to eat one now?
It's no.
Okay. You want a heart one or a circle one?
Person.
Let Mommy help you. Oh, that's a little cute. Oh, that is very cute. Look, it's a heart. So we took it out of the mold upside down because the top wasn't too pretty. Okay, Brycey, you get to try it first.
It's hard.
It is a heart. How is it?
Good.
You made those cupcakes, Bryce.
Huh?
You made that.
Yes.
Taste test approved. I think he likes it.
I got at door.
Dada's at the door?
Yes.
No, he isn't. There's actually no one at the door. There's no one at the door.
Is there a car at door?
Dada's car is at work.
Oh.
Uh-oh. My baking partner had to go down for a nap. He was not too happy about that, as you can see. I have it muted right now. And Jordan is also not too happy right now because she has been sitting in here playing, actually letting Mommy and Brycey cook. So I'm gonna give her some lovin's while we wait for the second batch to come out of the oven. And I'm gonna let them cool and we will probably decorate when Brycey wakes up from his nap. Or maybe this time I should do it while he's taking his nap. And then we'll see how that turns out. Right, Jordan? She's teething right now, so she has 1.5 teeth. The The second tooth is just popping out of her gums, so she's not the best sleeper at nighttime anymore. But hopefully that'll change once this tooth, like once she gets used to the tooth in her mouth. What do you think, Jordan? Jordan, what do you think? You like your toys, don't you? Yeah, this thing is really cool. Baby Einstein. And keep them in one spot. The cupcakes are all baked, and now, since Brycey is taking a nap, kind of, he's still playing in his bed, I'm going to attempt to decorate them, and I'm going to show you the inspiration. So I got this idea from the box with the cookies and cream. Now, I don't want to just use white icing. I want to make the icing pink, and then I'm going to crush up some Oreos and put them on there, and we'll see how that comes out. We have some Oreo thins that I should not be eating, but there's just a few in here, so I'm going to crush these up. And then I also have some vanilla icing and pink food coloring. So let's get started. And Brycey is going to be so surprised when he comes down from his nap and he sees them all decorated. So as you saw, he already did a taste test, and it is Brycey approved. Alright, so I got them all crumbled up. It's not a lot, but I'm just going to put a few on top of each cupcake. I put the icing into a Ziploc baggie. I'm going to cut the tip off, and we'll see how this goes. The last time I tried to do this, it did not turn out too well, so we'll see. I'm going to do a practice one. Not too bad. I've tried this more than twice, but I'm glad this one's working out. And Bryce is still not asleep. I can hear him moving around in his crib. Still in a crib for now, but very soon we will be making that transition into a big boy bed. And here we go. These are the heart molds. They came out okay. I mean, they're still cute, but I think just the round ones came out a lot better. And especially with the crushed up Oreos, so it's gonna be really cute. And I really wanna eat these, but I'm gonna be a good mommy, and I'm gonna wait while they look at me. And I already made my second cup of coffee. And these cupcakes would go really, really, really good with that second cup of coffee. But no. It's 4:17. He hasn't fallen asleep yet. But I'm gonna wait it out. Okay, so Brycey, while you were napping, Mommy finished with the cupcakes. Do you want one?
Yes.
Okay, you get to have one. All right, tell Mommy what it tastes like. Come on, you gotta taste it now.
It's delicious.
You see Mommy put icing on it and
Yes.
Oreos.
Mm-hmm.
What do you think? Good stuff?
Good stuff.
So that does it for this episode of Baking with a Brycey. Bryce, did you have fun making cupcakes with Mama?
Mm-hmm.
What do you want to make next month? You want to make a cake next month?
Yes.
Or Rice Krispie treats?
treats.
Okay, so that may be on the menu next month for March. We're in February now, and that's why we made cupcakes for Valentine's Day. Alright, so thank you for watching. If you liked the video, give it a thumbs up. Subscribe so you can see more of the crazy things that we do all day. And Brycey, tell everyone Happy Valentine's Day!
Happy Valentine's Day!
See you next time.